So here are the FTRE awardees from class 9 going to 10th.
Chennai North and Central Zone.
I request Mrs. Sonia Anku Jain to come onto the stage to distribute the awards.
Pon Kailash Raj B from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School is the zonal topper in overall and receiving his gold medal for Maths, Physics and Chemistry for being the zonal topper.
Abhishek Muthuswamy from Maharishi Vidya Mandir is the overall second ranker and topper in physics and second ranker in maths.
Aditya M from Batma Seshatri Bala Bhavan has got the zonal rank 3 in overall and receiving his bronze medal, and also zonal rank 2 in maths and zonal rank 3 in chemistry.
Akshit Gola from Maharishi Vidya Mandir is the physics topper and second ranker in chemistry.
GB Hitesh Vaibhav from Maharishi Vidya Mandir has secured the zonal topper in physics and receiving his gold medal.
Chennai South Zone. Sumay Chatterjee from Chettinad Vidyashram is the overall zonal topper in physics and chemistry also.
Anders Arnold has secured zonal rank 2 in overall and zonal topper in physics and chemistry and zonal rank 2 in maths.
Bilal from DAV school is overall third ranker and he is the physics.
Sanjeev R is a zonal topper in physics and receiving a gold medal.
Rishikesham S from Chettinad Vidyashram is the zonal topper in physics.
Chennai West Zone, Varun Kailash from Maharishi Vidya Mandir is receiving the zonal topper for overall, receiving his gold medal. He is also the zonal topper in maths and chemistry.
K. Sahabtan from Chinmaya Vidyalaya is the overall second ranker and zonal topper in physics and is also the second ranker in chemistry.
Balaji Ramachandran has secured the zonal rank 3 in overall and zonal topper in maths, for which he is receiving the bronze medal and the gold medal.
Vittal Ramakrishnan from PSBB Millennium School is the zonal topper in physics.
Ram Prasad is a zonal topper in physics and receiving the gold medal.
Haran Mauli from PSBB is the physics zonal topper and he is receiving gold medal for that.
Ram Prasad has got his zonal topper in physics and receiving his gold medal.
Rishabh RP from PSBB is a third ranker in maths and he is receiving a bronze medal for that.
Jashwant S. is a zonal rank 3 in overall and zonal rank 2 in physics, zonal rank 3 in maths, and zonal rank 3 in chemistry, for which he is receiving bronze, silver, and again 2 bronze medals.
A. Kadir from Montfort School is his second ranker in chemistry and he is receiving a silver medal for that.
Class 10, going to 11. Chennai North and Central Zone. T.M. Kumaresan of Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School is the overall zonal topper. He is also the zonal topper in maths and has secured the second zonal rank in physics. Anand Narasimhan of National Public School has secured the second overall zonal rank. He is also the zonal topper in maths and has secured the third zonal rank in physics. Hariharan Naveen S. of Bhavans Rajaji Vidyashram has secured the third overall zonal rank. He is also the zonal topper in physics. Tiruvarul Prakash has secured the third zonal rank in maths. Nived Arul has secured the third zonal rank in chemistry. Kaushika Murali R is the zonal topper in chemistry. Melvin Sam has secured the second zonal rank in chemistry. Ashwin Abraham has secured the third zonal rank in chemistry. Chennai South Zone. Suraj Manikam T is the overall zonal topper. He is also the zonal topper in maths and physics. Shankar Balaji Sambashivam has secured the second zonal rank. He is also the zonal topper in chemistry. West Zone. R. Harshavardhan is the overall zonal topper. He is also the zonal topper in physics and the zonal topper in chemistry. Srija Kumar has secured the second overall zonal rank. She is the zonal topper in maths. She has secured the third zonal rank in physics and third zonal rank in chemistry. Nilesh K has secured the third overall zonal rank. He has also secured the second zonal rank in maths. Bhavya has secured the second zonal rank in physics. Pugarendi AD has secured the second zonal rank in chemistry. Anirudh KP has secured the third zonal rank in maths. Restall Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Shruti Madpal is the overall zonal topper. She is also the zonal topper in chemistry. She has secured second rank in physics. Santosh Prabhakar has secured the second overall zonal rank. He is the zonal topper in physics. He has also secured third zonal rank in maths. Arulanandan S has secured second zonal rank in chemistry. Jashwin T has secured second zonal rank in maths. Naveen has secured third zonal rank in chemistry. And Kanchipuram zone. Anirudh Murali is the overall zonal topper. He is also the zonal topper in maths and chemistry. Krishna Prasad D has secured the second overall zonal rank. He has also secured the third zonal rank in maths and chemistry. Aravind Anand has secured the third overall zonal rank. S. Mohan has secured the second overall zonal rank in maths and third overall zonal rank in physics. Amarthini is the zonal topper in physics. K. Harihara Sudan has secured second zonal rank in physics. Pratyush Srinivas Manta has secured second zonal rank in chemistry.
It's a lonely night. Everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for a friendly light. But I see
Class 12. The Chennai North and Central
no eyes. No eyes on me.
Class 12. In the Chennai North and Central Zone, I. Vishwanath of Sri Narayana Mission Senior Secondary School has secured the second zonal rank in maths. Taruneshwar Rajaram of Maharishi Vidya Mandir has secured the third zonal rank in chemistry.
But I see nothing.
The Chennai South Zone, Prakash Arumugam has secured the first rank and is receiving a gold medal. Secured the second zonal rank in physics. R.K. Rohit of BVM Global School has secured the second overall zonal rank, second rank in chemistry, third in maths, and third zonal rank in physics. Raja Sonathresan Amritalingam has secured the third zonal rank and is the zonal topper in chemistry and has also secured the zonal second rank in maths. Madhav Srivatsan P is the zonal topper in physics. Sai Sanjay Narayanan is the zonal topper in maths. Vivekanand Subhash is the zonal topper, third ranker in chemistry.
It's a lonely night. Everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for a friendly light. But I see nothing.
Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Chibisha M is the zonal topper in physics and the zonal topper in chemistry. Aniruddha Sriram is the zonal second ranker, the zonal topper in maths, the second ranker in chemistry, and has secured the third rank in physics. Hari Karthik S. Tyagarajan is the zonal third ranker, has secured the third rank in maths and the third rank in chemistry. Dharanish Rahul Shivakumar has secured the second rank in physics. Meera Harihara Sudha Hari Babu has secured the second zonal rank in maths.